This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Preston Automotive Group.
Well, when you think of our friends at Preston Automotive Group, you're probably thinking about getting a new vehicle, but maybe you're not ready for a new car just yet. That is where our friends at Midway Tire and Auto Center here on Coastal Highway in Lewis come in, because they want to help you maintain the vehicle that you already have and make sure that you are driving safely on our roadways.
Basic vehicle maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. It's being on the lookout for the little things. Things like making sure your windshield wipers are actually clearing away water.
A lot of times it's out of sight, out of mind. You know,
Yeah.
You're driving down the road on a sunny day, you don't think about your wiper blades, but
Yep.
you know, the winter might have done a number on those wipers, and it is April, so we're going to see a lot of rain probably this
All
time of
those
year.
showers.
You know, if you take a look at your wiper blades and you see something like this going on.
Oh, that looks a little familiar to some of us, I'm sure.
Well,
That's
we
not
call
what it's
that
supposed
a
to
whipper
look
blade,
like.
not a wiper blade. But yeah, sometimes they'll just come apart on you. Sometimes it can be obvious like that. But one of the things that we look at are your filters.
Yes.
You know, when we pull an air filter, we'll look for dirt. Sometimes we'll look inside to see, is it accumulating a lot of debris? Yeah, it's important. It's important too, if you're not in the know on how frequently you should do something, that you can trust somebody to help you with that. And our team here, we really focus on prioritizing, and we're careful about our recommendations versus saying, hey, you need to do something now.
Yeah.
Sometimes, hey, we just recommend that you do this soon.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we have to say you need to do this now, or here's what will happen if you don't do it now.
Yeah.
Or, hey, you've got time on this, let's check it on the next maintenance cycle.
Yep, so it might be a good time to just kind of turn the AC on, make sure it's working. If you smell something funky, it might be time to come here and have these guys give it a look over. But of course, you're also the tire center, which of course you do so much more than just look at tires, but that is also a big part of what you do. So what are maybe some of the signs that people are looking at a tire that's no longer so good?
I get a lot of questions as to why can you not repair certain tires?
Yes.
So we have an example here of a tire that has a nail actually right in the sidewall of the tire. Generally, when we see a puncture in that area, we condemn the tire and advise
It's time to get that replaced. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. But there are other things that you kind of see that are common in this area, or common questions and concerns that people have with their tires.
But I do find a lot of drivers come to us, their tires are 5, 6, even more. I had a 12-year-old tire the other day.
Ooh.
And it does get concerning. As you can see, this tire looks like it has really good tread on it. It's very deep, kind of evenly worn across. But if you look closely in between the tread rows, you can see some deep cracks that are showing up there. So if you inspect your tire and you see these kind of cracks in there, it might be wise to question, is it dry rot?
Sure.
A consumer can do, they can look at the date code on their tire. And a date code at the end of a DOT number, and it's basically a serial number, the last 4 digits will tell you the first 2 digits are the number of the week of the year.
Okay.
And the last 2 are the last 2 digits of the year. So this tire was produced the 50th week of 2021.
Gotcha.
It's hard to see how bad that really is when the tire's inflated.
Sure.
So, you know, if we push down on this tire, this is the side of the tire that was exposed to the sun. The rubber gets hard and starts to crack and come apart. But the concern with that is if you go and drive on the highway, you're more susceptible for a blowout. So, you know, it's very important to keep an eye on your tire health.
Perfect. So there's a lot of information that you have clearly on hand for folks that, you know, maybe if your car is riding a little bit rougher than usual, or you hear a funky sound, or you smell a funky smell, it might be time to come see you guys. So talk to me a little bit about your hours of operation and when people do they need to call ahead and make an appointment? Can they just drive by? What's the best way for them to come see you?
So yeah, right now we're open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can make appointments or you can walk in. we're ready to serve you night and day.
Well, Ed Thomas, thank you so much for what you guys do every day, day in, day out, keeping our vehicles a little bit safer on the road out there. And again, especially for maybe people that are a little bit more like me and you don't know what to do with your car when something goes wrong, that's where you guys come in. So thank you so much for what you guys do in our community every day.
My pleasure.
Of course. Well, from something as simple as a tire rotation or getting your tires changed to an oil change itself, or maybe something a little bit more serious going on with your car where it's making a funny noise or a little bit of a funky smell is coming from it. Our friends at Preston here at the Midway Tire and Auto Center, right here on Coastal Highway in Lewis, is here for you. Open Monday through Friday. And like Ed was saying, if you make an appointment, you might be seen a little bit faster, but they do take walk-ins as well for your convenience. But we've got more CoastLife for you to enjoy. That's all on the way.